Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi and let us now discuss about a very positive and haughty remedy, a remedy that has importance about good looks and wants to be constantly appreciated. I think you have guessed the remedy right. The remedy is Palladium. When we talk about Palladium, these people are extremely cautious and concerned about how they look, what they wear, and they must and they want to be appreciated for their looks. When we see carcinosin people, they want to be appreciated for their behavior or they want approval for their behavior. But when we talk about Palladium people, Palladium patients, they want to be appreciated for their good looks and are extremely insulted or feel insulted when they are not appreciated. So next time you think about a remedy that gets hurt when they are not flattered, you can always think about Palladium. To know about such remedies and interesting facts, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. You can also enroll to our courses and purchase our books from our website. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.